kind of moving on. Kind of been sitting for a minute. Kind of take a little break. And just kind of enjoy the view, the scenery around us we did. And fucker bumping into me along the way, trying to push me. Did y'all see that? Cat trying to push me. What's up?
No, let's be trying.
See, look, he's pushing me again, y'all. The abuse, the abuse. Ow, then I got a rose bush attacking me along the way. Like, just ain't fair, folks. It's 2 on 1. Then along the way, look. You got Jason pushing me, got the rose bush attacking me, and then I get a spider web on my face. Ah. So yeah, we're moving now, though. Like I said, come check out BOCH Hollow. Of course, the old sun on point. I feel like I'm walking 100 miles an hour. Once again, we're moving. And he's got us going 25 miles an hour. Up to who knows where. Yo, a little view. What's up, everybody? Yeah. Still making a way along the trailhead here. Still got some sunlight, so we ain't gotta be out here to dark. Didn't say dusk, it says dark. So we're still gonna kinda keep on going. Ooh, what was that? Kinda seen some movement up there. Little chipmunk, y'all, check him out. And Mother Nature, things you see. There he is. Maybe he'll come up on this side. Let's see, there he is. You see him? There's the chipmunk. Check him out. Little guy. Oh, there he goes. Check him. Ooh, he's scrappy. He's a fast little guy, ain't he, y'all? What's he running from? It's all good. He's, oh, let's see, Mother Nature, Mother Nature, Mother Nature. Yeah, check it out. That big old shroom up there, it looks like. Yeah, and of course, these guys are going ahead of me, but it's all right.
You going?
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, it's alright, but I got you guys to travel with me. Yeah. Do some exploring out here at BOCH Hollow, around the Hocking Hill area, Ohio. Yeah. For those people who are maybe watching my video that live out of state, you know what I mean, places, ain't never been here to the Hocking Hills. This is what you get in the Hocking Hills. They're beautiful. Look at that. You can't ask for much more than this. I mean, look at this small little guy down there. Yeah, he's a beautiful guy, ain't he? Yeah, but this, check it out there. I mean, Mother Nature. Yeah. This is one of many places down here in the Hocking Hills. There's all kinds of places in the Hocking Hills. You got Old Man's Cave, you got Ash Cave, you got... Oh, it'll come to me, y'all. It'll come to me some more, will. But there's many down here. Oh, man, I'm about falling on my butt. Ah. But all kinds of cabins down this way. Yeah, a lot of cabins. Yeah. And most of them, like I said, most of these cabins are, well, this is what you're going to get when you're staying in a lot of these cabins. You got a cabin, it's going to be the cabin in the woods. Ooh. I've seen stories about Bigfoot, people coming down here staying in the cabin. I've seen one story on TV. There's actually an episode. And well, they came down here in the Hocking Hills, stayed at a cabin. A couple Bigfoots visited them. And yeah, you probably know how that went. I'm not sure what the episode was called, but They're probably caught up with these guys. So like I said, I had you guys to wander with. I appreciate it. Like I said, yeah, subscribe to my video, like my video, you know what I mean? Trying to give you bring you a good video. They come upon a tree. That's been, wow, check that out, folks.
Yeah, it's huge.
That's a huge tree. It goes like way down beyond it down there. It's the kind of stuff you get in Mother Nature. BOCH Hollow, folks. Or you can come down and stay in the Hocking Hills, like I said, and go to one of those cabins. Cabins in the woods. What other kind of places are there, Josh? Like I said, there's Ash Cave, Old Man's Cave. What else is there? Tell the people. What's the other one? I know there's Rock Bridge. There's a Rock Bridge place you can go to. There's multiple places. You ever get down here, just Google all the places you can take and go backpacking at, you know what I mean? Or just go take a hike, a quick hike. GI behind me. Yeah, but check it out. Got a creek bed down here. Really nice place, folks. Yeah, check it out.
I heard something. You hear that, Barry?
Huh?
You hear that?
Can you get down there?
I said, you hear it? We heard like bushes moving around.
Yeah.
No, he can't hear like we can.
Boy, she's so quiet. They kind of think they heard some stuff moving over on the other side of the
I
creek
definitely
bed
heard
here.
it.
Yeah, Jason here says he. Tell him what you heard.
Some bushes rustling around.
Yeah, it's over there on the other side of the creek bed. Down in the creek. Yeah.
I think it's a snake right there. Maybe it's a stick. You can't zoom in close enough. That might be a snake.
Then he says he thinks there's a snake down in the creek bed. Let's see what we got down here, folks. Try to get down a little low for y'all. Maybe we want to move the lawn, I guess. I can't tell you folks how long this video is going to be. I mean, hopefully praying it might be a little long video. I'm sure you'll probably, hopefully y'all enjoy my video. Yeah, well, check that view out, folks. Up that. Don't tell me that ain't some Mother Nature-y looking stuff, people. The stuff you'll see out here. Come visit it. They are once again ahead of me. Coming down beside the creek bed down here. Yeah, kind of hope and praying there's nothing following beside us over here, but I think we'll kind of be good. Coming around. Coming upon a map here. Trying to go see where we're at here, people. Yeah, I don't know. Coming down to the creek bed, the creek comes across, so we can go possibly straight, but I do believe we're going to cut across. I'll be right back, folks. I'm back. Boys are back with me. I kind of mosey along a little bit without them, but just kind of standing here a little bit. Kind of getting muddy, fucking muddy, ain't it?
Oh yeah, a little bit.
There's definitely some kind of trail up there. Get down there. God bless.
Spiral tastes good.
Spider webs all over me. I feel like it's on me. I told you I don't like spiders. I don't like spider webs, folks.
Mushrooms.
Yeah, those are some weird looking little things, ain't they? Hey everybody, hey, we finally made our way to like a meadow trail right now, and well, we kind of came to a meadow. Let y'all check it out. Pretty neat. Yeah, pretty cool place. Just kind of seeing a couple deer up here. Kind of heard a grunt on the way back, on the way up through the trail. Just kind of take, maybe it was a deer. It was down there grunting somewhere in the woods. Hopefully. Yeah. Those guys are ahead. Yeah, check it out. I mean, really beautiful place. It's at the Hocking Hills. Definitely surrounded by Mother Nature. There's a nature preserve. So something is laying there. More thorns. I've seen that one back. And that kind of hurt, wasn't it? Laying on some thorns. What would lay on thorns, but it must be comfy. Trying to maybe, I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe make a pit stop coming into the trail sign.
Yeah, we can definitely do this in one entire day.
Huh?
We can do this entire trail in one day. This is right here, but we need to go down the hill now and back up and around.
Yeah.
It's like, look how far we have to walk now.
Yeah, we'll just go back. Which way is that back coming back?
This way. We gotta go that way.
Oh, that's fine. I'll go that way. Do you want a pit stop here for a minute?
I'm okay.
I'm good. We'll be right back. Come ahead, we'll go pit stop.
If you want to.
Yeah, alright, I'll be right back. We're all going to pit stop. All in agreement with pit stop?
Yeah, okay. I'm fine with that.
Alright, we'll be right back. Remember, hit subscribe, like. I'll be right back. Hey! Yeah. We're back now. We're backpacking it again. Making our way. Dude, look at that old creepy way. It's kind of getting darker later now. You know what I mean? I just keep coming and going. Maybe we keep making pit stops. Just random video piece I'm trying to show you. But, yeah. Yeah, check it out there. We're starting to get a little bit darker out. Yeah, we're coming back through the woods. Like I said, get out here to BOCH Hollow, check it out and everything.
What spider? This big old black one. We almost stepped on it.
Come across something here. What are we looking at?
Oh, yeah.
Is that a spider? Oh,
Yeah.
check that big old spider out, folks. We all can see it. Look at that big boy. Oh, there he is. Check him. Oh, look at him, y'all. If y'all can see him, check him out. He's big. You don't want that in your bed sheets, folks? I know I don't. There he is. Got some lady now. Look at the big guy.
I lost him.
Yep, he's not going on my bed sheets, but this might give y'all some nightmares. Check him out right there, folks. Ah, woo! Look at him now. He's a big guy. Stuff you see in the Mother Nature. Stuff at BOCH Hollow, you might see a big spider. Ah! I'm good. Gonna give me nightmares, folks. I'll give some of y'all nightmares, y'all watching the videos. You don't like spiders like me. I don't like spiders. Jason, he likes putting them in his mouth and eating them.
Yeah, they're crunchy.
Cause he's GI. No, I'm just playing, folks. He don't do that. At least I hope he don't do that. You don't do that, right?
Oh, every once in a while.
Yeah, see, every once in a while, folks. He's kind of like that, I guess. I try to get a benefit of the doubt that he don't do it, but yeah. He's an outdoorsman. We are, folks, kind of getting in the woods. Kind of lost some light there. That's probably about like 7 at night, probably. No, making our through the old BOCH Hollow. It's kind of what it looks like when it starts getting dark. You know, kind of creepy. Way down there, folks. Got GI and that was spider web on me, people. Look down there, a little creepy set of woods. I don't get me wrong, folks. The woods are kind of creepy at night. We've been in some woods at nighttime though, where it's been flashlighting it, kind of scary. But hey, we've always made it through. Nothing ever bad happened. Hopefully nothing bad happens to us here. Right? Mm-hmm. Ain't got to feed you to Bigfoot, right?
Yeah.
I always joke with people about feeding him to Bigfoot. If we ever come across a Bigfoot, I always tell him the time I'm throwing his ass to him. Me and Josh was taking off running. Oh yeah. Be good eating for him.
It'll be the best lunch ever.
You think he's eating real beef jerky?
Either run with Sasquatch or from Sasquatch.
What are you doing, Bishop? I guess we're kind of taking a halt right now. Standing in the middle of the spooky woods. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I say, come here, check it out, people. BOCH Hollow, Hocking Hills. And I've said it many times in my video. You're probably tired of hearing me telling you. But, hey, it's a nice place, cool place to come. I haven't given you everything. Can't show you everything in my video, but of course I got to make some editing inside of it. Yeah. But I'll try to bring you as much as I can of it. Ain't that right, Josh?
Oh yeah, as much. You gotta come out and see the rest.
Yep, like he said, you gotta come out and see the rest of yourself and experience it yourself. And you ain't gotta be here till dark. So if you can get here later.
You come in early in the morning, you can be able to get done by at least by 7.
Oh yeah, you got, like you said, come early in the morning and get her done and do it all in one day. It's not that real big of a place. A little more creepier at night when you come a little bit later though. As you can see, it's getting dark. But we ain't scared. Why? Because I'm paranormal. That's why. Jason behind me still. Quit looking at my ass, Jason. Okay. Stop it.
I can't resist.
He sometimes does that to me. No, I'm playing, folks. You see, better not be back and looking at my butt. Jason, you looking at my butt?
A few please.
You're going forward. You're moving ahead of me now. I'm playing, folks. Like a snake. I think Josh is getting scared though. Josh, you getting scared? What are you eating, Jason? What are you eating? What are we eating? Tell the people what you're eating.
Turkey.
Show them what we're eating here. Oh, some Jack Links? Oh.
Yes. Either
Beef
run with
jerky.
Sasquatch or from Sasquatch.
Give him bacon, put some more meat. That's what I'm telling you. It'll be good bait. We're running. Look at this big old tree, folks. Oh, that is a deep rooter.
Look, like there's the big ass
Wow.
root still on the ground.
That is, wow, that is, it's really deep rooted, isn't it? Like, holy shit. And we got some lighting now on it, folks. Wow.
I heard a gunshot. That's what I've been hearing. That's like the 8th one.
What'd you hear?
I think I heard a gunshot.
Well, some hearing gunshots. I didn't hear it, folks, but maybe y'all heard it on the video. There's some more of there, some red, something's eating off the one, don't it?
I can hear.
Some good grub, colorful. Uh-oh, coming across something. What we got here? Coming along the cave side. See what you'll see. When you come to Black Hollow, kind of coming along the cave line.